Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever visited a beautiful website and wondered what theme they are using? Maybe you want the same design for your own site, but you don't know where to start. Well, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to find the theme of any website plus the best tools to use along with their pros and cons. Let's start it. Before we go into the theme detectors, what is a website theme? A website theme is basically the design template that controls how the site looks, layout, colors, fonts, and overall style. So the most commonly using content management systems are WordPress. The most widely used platform globally powers blogs, business sites, and e-commerce. After the WordPress, Joomla and Drupal, and some other website builders like Wix, Squarespace, Weebly, some e-commerce platforms like Shopify and Magento. Some cases, the website are developed using custom technologies like front-end technology like HTML, CSS or JavaScript, and frameworks like React, Angular or Vue.js. So to find out any website themes, there are two methods available. The first method is online theme detectors and second method is manual method by inspect tool. So I will demonstrate both methods in this video. The first tool is what WordPress theme is that. So the domain name is www.themeisthat.com. You can get the website link in the description. So here you have to copy paste the website URL and click search. Okay, let's check this news websites theme. So this is a newswire.lk. Let's copy this URL and paste here. Click search. Wow, now you can see the theme name is UNOS Magazine VU. The theme link is given here and also the parent theme details. And it also giving the plugins used. So it will show you the theme name, plugin details and hosting info. The plus of this theme detector is it's very beginner friendly, gives extra info like plugins and free to use. And cons are works best only with the WordPress sites and sometimes fail on heavily customized themes. Second tool is WP Theme Detector, www.wpthemedetector.com. You can get the website link in the description. So here also you can copy paste the URL. Let's copy paste this website link. Go to the wpthemedetector.com and paste here. Click experience the magic of WPTD. Wow, you can see the theme is developed using the Hello Elementor child theme, and there are more than 10 plugins are available. You can see the list here. So here the pros are clean interface, fast results, and detect themes plus plugins. The cons are limited accuracy on custom build sites and only for WordPress. Number 3, BuiltWith.com. Similarly, enter the website link, get the full tech breakdown. Okay, let's check the previous website. Just paste the link here, click look up. You can see it's giving more detailed view here. Technology profile like this and detailed one. So it's giving more detailed analysis of the website. Here the Prosa works on almost any website, shows CMS, frameworks, hosting and very detailed. Cons can be overwhelmed for beginners and doesn't always show the exact theme name. The final theme detector is Gochio. You can see the link here. So this theme detector detects WordPress, Shopify, Drupal, Joomla, PrestaShop, and Squarespace. Let's check a Joomla site whether it's detect or not. So let's copy this one, paste here, and click detect. Wow, you can see here this website built with Joomla. The Joomla template information. The theme name is Shape a Helix Ultimate, and also it's giving the host name. So this is also a valuable theme detector. The second manual method is inspect tool. If tools doesn't work, try this manual trick. So here steps are right click on the website, click inspect, go to sources or elements tab, look for folders like WP content or themes. You will often find the theme name inside the file path. Works even when tools fail. More accurate for advanced users. Consa requires basic technical knowledge and can be confusing for beginners. Second manual method is check source code. Another quick trick, right click, view page source, press Ctrl F. Here search for theme, WP context or themes. You might find the theme name directly on the code. Prosa, simple and quick, no external tools needed. Consa doesn't always work on custom sites and can be messy to read. So if nothing works, just ask the website owner. Some sites even mention their theme in the footer. And that's it now. You know multiple ways to find any website theme from easy tools to manual methods. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe more for web tips. See you in next video. Thank you.